Incoming snowstorm is raising some serious concerns for the city's most vulnerable. Right now, outreach teams are fanning out across the city, hoping to convince some unhoused New Yorkers to seek shelter at safe haven facilities. News 12's Nadia Galindo was granted exclusive access to see exactly how that's done.
This room may not look like much, but to Christian Retoba, it's a refuge from the cold.
It's wonderful, to be honest. I was outside like when it was colder. I nearly had frost bites on my feet.
Christian has lived at this Greenpoint safe haven facility for 8 weeks. Here, she can take a hot shower, eat a warm meal, and access support services.
Safe havens are the most important resource for people who have been on the street for the longest.
Patrick Bonk gave us an exclusive tour of the facility run by Breaking Ground and fully funded by the Department of Social Services. Breaking Ground has 750 beds across 3 boroughs, 250 of them added in just the past 2 years. It's part of a city effort to move people off the streets and indoors.
Adding more beds, adding more opportunities for people to come off the street or off the subways and inside is extremely important for us to solve the unhoused homelessness crisis.
The work to get New Yorkers off the streets often starts at places like McCarran Park, where outreach teams become professional persuaders.
But you want to get them off the street. You don't want to see them in a bad situation.
Alan Black and Ramit Garris on the front lines.
How you doing this morning?
Need any assistance?
Breaking the ice ahead of a dangerously frigid weekend.
Hey. Hello, hello, hello.
Forecasters expect several inches of snow to blanket the city as temperatures plunge into the single digits, prompting a code blue.
People might not realize how bad the situation is.
They say building trust is their bread and butter.
Can't give up on them. I mean, they got their own problems. I understand.
And street outreach didn't give up on Christian.
I was very reluctant to go. I never went into a shelter.
But persistence paid off.
I'm happy that I came.
Perhaps the biggest payoff, Christian is now working towards permanent housing. In Greenpoint, Nadia Galindo, News 12 Brooklyn.
Doing some great work there, Nadia. Thank you. If you see someone who may need shelter this weekend, Breaking Ground says call 911 if they need immediate medical attention. For shelter assistance, call 311, and an outreach team is typically dispatched within 2 hours.